Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Coinbase Commerce for accepting crypto payments. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Coinbase Commerce. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. On the home page, locate the Sign In button in the upper right corner. Click on the Sign In button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, check your authentication app for the code. Enter the code in the designated field if prompted. Once you have filled in your credentials, click the Sign In button to proceed. After logging in, you will be taken to your Coinbase Commerce dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout and features available on the dashboard. Here, you can view your transactions, manage settings, and set up payment buttons. To accept crypto payments, ensure your account is properly set up with all necessary information. If prompted, follow any additional setup instructions to complete your profile. Once everything is set, you are ready to start accepting cryptocurrency payments. You can now generate payment buttons or invoices directly from your dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.